Hello again. If you want to see more interesting video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Please feel free to leave us a comment. This is very important support for us. Thanks you. Orange pork ribs. Orange pork ribs is a home-cooked dish that is very suitable for summer. It has the same sweet and sour taste as sweet and sour pork ribs, but the sweet and sour fruit is not as exciting as sweet and sour, only a mild fruity sweet and sour taste. Use orange juice to make the sauce for ribs, which is natural in color, nutritious and delicious, and the sour taste of orange is also appetizing, relieving greasiness and helping digestion. To tips 1. When peeling orange peels, only the orange layer is on the surface, and the white layer is not bitter. 2. Turning the fried ribs can force out the excess oil, and the ribs are crispy. 3. Freshly squeezed orange juice can also be replaced with concentrated orange juice. If you like to use more juice for bibimbap, you can increase the orange juice to 1 bowl, and adjust it as you like. Prepare ingredients. Ribs 500 grams. 1 orange. Cornstarch right amount. 2 teaspoons cornstarch water. Ribs marinade, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon of rice wine. A pinch of white pepper. Sauce. Orange peel shreds. Half a bowl of orange juice. 2 teaspoons of tomato juice. 1 tablespoon sugar. White vinegar, a little salt each. Step. Prepare materials. Wash the ribs and wipe dry. Add all the marinade and marinate for half an hour, set aside. Clean the skin of the fresh orange, use a peeling knife to cut out a few pieces of orange skin, and then cut into thin filaments, then squeeze the orange out of half a bowl of orange juice and set aside. Heat the oil pan to about 170 degrees, and dip the ribs with thin cornstarch. Fry in the oil until slightly golden brown and scoop up. Boil the oil again to about 180 degrees. Fry the ribs over high heat until golden brown and well cooked, then remove the oil. Take another pot, add all the sauce and bring to a boil. Pour in cornstarch water and cook over high heat until thick. Turn off the heat. Put in the freshly fried ribs, and quickly roll the ribs with a spatula to evenly stick the sauce.